What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to SF School AI. So, we're taking a little bit of a detour today. So, I'm an experienced Salesforce developer, but today we're looking at gohighlevel.com, which is it's kind of fascinating here. It's kind of like a CRM, not quite as huge enterprise grade as Salesforce, but it seems to tie in kind of multiple tools. You got a little bit of marketing in there, got a little bit of SaaS business model built right in. When I say SaaS business model built right in, what I mean is literally one of the kind of main things that Go High Level is designed to do is it's like you set up your CRM and you can do customizations and custom logic and all that kind of thing, but then you can sell it like as though it's your own SaaS. So you can put your own branding on it and you can sell that version to external clients, allowing them to then come in and use your customized setup. So another thing that we're testing today too is just using AI to try to rapidly understand software. So you're going to see that as well. But so you can see here, I'm still just in the account setup process, and some of the different options are like I run an agency or consultancy and manage marketing for clients. I want to use high level for my own business. So these are kind of maybe two that might fit more into what you use Salesforce to. But this top one here, I want to sell high level as my own software, white label. That's kind of interesting, right? So you got a whole bunch of different markets we can target. Let's just go with art for now. How many clients are you managing? Let's just start small. What you like to focus on? Build and manage your own sales pipeline. Let's look at customize the platform. Platforms are you using? It's not really an overly large list here, but I use probably about 10% of these. I at least know most of them, about half of them. I'm just going to select Zapier. An option to do an onboarding call right now, but I'm really just wanting to get into the software and see what it's got going on. Okay, so one of the things that I think I'm going to kind of keep doing is I'm just going to drop into the browser, the large language model that has visibility to the browser. I'm going to keep kind of asking it what's going on. You're currently on the white label settings for your first fruit landscaping. Go high level. Okay, if you're setting this up for the first time, the single most valuable step is to configure your white label domain. I'm just trying to understand the platform. I want to see the cool features. Okay, so it says it's a massive platform, but since you are in the agency settings, the cool features are actually hidden over on your main sidebar. So labs, you got the featured playground. Okay. Switch from different accounts. SaaS education. Got this annoying as fuck thing that keeps just being in my face all the time. Connect Stripe. Configure your SaaS plan. Build your pricing page. That's interesting. I feel like it skipped the part about build a product. Did it not? What's the difference between university and SaaS education? You join High Level University, the ultimate connection plus learning center for all things high level. Hmm. Sure, I'll take a look real fast. What do we got on High Level University? You know what this looks like? It looks like Alex Hormozy's school platform. No, leave me alone. I don't want to enter. Okay, fine. I guess we're done here. GHL swag. Okay. We got swag. Are we getting ahead of ourselves? Template library. Defense attorney. Huh. Fascinating. There's a small number of highly specific landing pages. However, I mean, this looks like a really strong landing page. This wouldn't be bad to just like, well, whatever business you're running, this is the kind of page you want your users to land on. This is going to be like a high converting landing page. So it's not a bad thing to have there. So that's pretty nice. I like those landing pages, actually. I'll be honest. Now, joining the onboarding call is cool, but this thing is getting kind of irritating. That thing has popped up around 200 times now. Reselling. Now, this is the really kind of fascinating part. Resell amount. Guess you're looking at like $10 a month. Right, what you can set. You can set different prices. So you're saying how much do they pay? Interesting. So it's almost like you're making me into a member of your marketing team. I'm guessing it says like workflow plans price $10 a month. So if I set this to 10x, then it's $100 a month. Yeah, that's what it appears to say. So $90 a month is the profit. I'm not completely certain about the different tiers. $2.99. Baby, I'm top of the market. Okay, it tops out at $49 a month. Resell AI employee. Yes, how does it work, please? Oh, this is their AI employee product. All right, this is kind of cool. Level products that are managed and built under the employee offering. Some AI features now have free access and no longer use AI credits. See the product specific pricing article for latest availability and pricing details. Enabling AI employees. And I think I kind of want to enable an AI employee, see what this thing can do. Just enable it and just be like, make revenue. Resell SEO. Looks like the agent just attempted to call a Google search tool and it failed. Wow. I can see, I mean, from my perspective as a developer, these things are all overpriced because, of course, I could build them myself. But I can see how there's still some amount of meat on the bone for a lot of clients. A lot of clients could potentially be convinced to pay more than this. Affiliate portal. Okay, so I feel like I'm definitely seeing a theme here, which is that this is more of an outward facing product, right? Like it's not really a focus on CRM. It doesn't appear to be. It's more of a focus on uh like Go High Level is products you can sell to clients. Hmm. It is interesting. I don't know that it's something that I'm too overly interested in myself. Snapshots. That sounds kind of nice. Seems like you can save the state of your org or something and be able to share it with others or share it with a different period in time. Sub accounts. See, literally almost everything we've clicked on so far has been a type of reselling the platform to others. Ready to turn leads into clients? Use prospecting tool inside a sub account to unlock full CRM syncing, workflows, and outreach automation. Why use in sub accounts? Save leads directly to contacts. Prospect AI. Find leads on autopilot. That sounds good. I need some leads on autopilot, that's for sure. Yes, that landscaper. Can set the amount of hunting that it does. Let's definitely do weekly. Can we do weekly every day? No. All right. Well, today is Thursday, so let's set it to run Friday, I guess. Focused hunting. Yes. 10-mile radius. Okay, these are all pretty interesting. I'm excited to see here. Lead enrichment is a pro feature. Boo. What is this prospecting agent going to do? I'm asking Gemini. Based on the configuration on your screen, you're looking at a prospecting agent is an automated AI tool designed to hunt for local B2B leads for first fruit landscaping. Instead of manually scraping Google or buying outdated email lists, this agent acts as a virtual researcher. Here's exactly how it is going to do. Here it is exactly what it's going to do once you save it. Target specific niche and location. The target is specifically looking for landscapers and potentially other services. Okay, so I guess I messed that up because I wanted to market myself as a landscaper, not look for other landscapers. But that's okay. Maybe I should, yeah, get rid of that. Maybe I could do real estate agent. Because those do need some of the services that my company offers. Okay, so I'll change that to that. All right, then it runs automated audits, the foot in the door strategy. Once it finds local businesses in that area, it won't just grab a phone number. It automatically run a marketing audit on them. It checks things like, do they have a Google business profile? Is it optimized? What are their review ratings? Do they have a website? Is it missing web chat widget or fast loading times? Okay, this is very smart. It's just kind of making sure, are they covering all their standard bases? Which, if not, that's an angle to market to them, right? So that's pretty smart. Enrich the lead with contact information. Oh yeah, lead enrichment. That basically means like once it pulls some information on a lead, you've found a lead to target. Lead enrichment services will then go pull as much data as they can just from the internet in general, so that you have a more complete picture on that lead. That was the part that was a premium add-on. Feed them straight into your sub account. This agent is set to find 12 prospects per week, pacing out your 50 monthly limit. Every Friday, it will automatically drop these newly discovered audited local businesses directly into your sub account contacts. Okay. I mean, to be honest, this is pretty dope. This is pretty cool. I have not seen this on Salesforce. This alone is enough that I'm now glad I did this. Just even to get the idea, because I could build something like this, and so I like seeing cool uses that people have done with AI. I love it. Set up white label domain. Customize your platform within your domain to replace high level's default URLs. This strengthens your brand identity, builds trust, and ensures a professional experience. Okay, so watch the tutorial, add a brand logo, set up API domain. Kind of add-ons. Reputation management. So a bunch of pretty cool stuff. It's funny, I'm a Salesforce developer, but I've recently started a landscaping company. Kind of, to be honest, the main reason I did it is because I want a real world service that I'm able to use these AI tools to serve, and to just make it more efficient and to try to improve um, just like marketing competitiveness in that way. I think there's a lot of opportunity for that. And so far it has gone well, I would say. But, a lot of these things that I'm looking at here, they don't maybe necessarily serve me so much as a developer, but they're more, could be pretty helpful to the landscaping company. So that's interesting. I don't know, but that's my quick first look at high level, the CRM, the marketing CRM with kind of a SaaS angle. Pretty cool stuff, to be honest. So thanks for joining, guys. Have a good one.